them, right? That's some deer.
No, and beaver.
Oh yeah.
No, I just got a vibe in going that way.
Yeah.
I'm dropping it down, Mom. Here we go. Those have to be beavers, or somebody's trying.
Oh, that's beavers.
Yeah, it won't work. I'm killing it.
It's already dead.
More. This way.
I'm going this way. There's little fish over there. Make a bow in them.
I have a chance of actually seeing something.
Get back where we've been.
Well, we have to head back sooner or later.
We have to have that. We gotta go get food.
He said we could go on the other trail.
Matthew,
Not today.
we're not gonna be able to today.
Let's see if I can spot something besides buds and a fish. It's pretty here. Okay, now I'm turning into my sister. Let's look at the sunsets.
You are.
Show your face, Christine.
Why?
Cause
I
there
think
you
we're
go.
lost.
I'm adding into one of the, like, we get lost in the middle of the woods. I don't think we're lost. I think we're just going.
No, it comes back around. Right?
Yeah.
I had to say it.
Just so the way here behind us is not two kids. Let's say that.
Yeah, bring us back up to the path.
Yeah. Oh. Buzz. I'm into the camera. Damn it.